Welcome everybody. I am Rudronil Ghosh. I have with me Dr. Dhiman Basu. Both of us are members of Expert Committee on School Education Department, Government of West Bengal. Today in this session, we will be having a discussion on the model activity tasks for mathematics for the classes 9 and 10. We all know that in this COVID-19 pandemic situation, the normal teaching learning process is severely affected. But even during this COVID-19 pandemic scenario, the School Education Department of Government of West Bengal has come up with numerous alternative plans to continue the teaching learning process for the students. You may have heard of some of them, like Bangla Shiksha Durabhashe, where the students can get their queries answered over the phone with the help of experienced subject teachers who are on the other side of the phone. So what the students will have to do, just call the toll-free number and they will get the help of the experienced teachers to get answers to their query. Apart from this, in the Bangla Shiksha portal, several videos are uploaded on various topics from various classes. These videos are prepared by experienced teachers. The students can get the help of these videos whenever they are studying a particular topic. They can browse through the videos, they can observe the videos and they can get the necessary help. Apart from this, one notable addition to the efforts of the School Education Department is model activity tasks. You may have already heard of them because these model activity tasks were already been distributed with the help of the guardians. The guardians come to the school on a pre-selected day in a month. They take the model activity tasks and they hand it over to the students when they return home. The students complete the model activity tasks at home, and again when the guardians return to the school on the next month, they carry with them the filled up model activity tasks which the students had done. They hand the model activity task answer scripts to the respective subject teachers, who then evaluates the same, and the guardian again returns to the home with that month's model activity task. Now, what is the use of evaluating these model activity tasks? By evaluating these model activity tasks, the teachers can identify whether the students are lagging behind in achieving the expected learning outcomes. Now, you may have questions in your mind how they can know that, because all these model activity task items are based on specific learning outcomes. These specific learning outcomes are already predefined. The specific learning outcomes are defined for classes 6, 7 and 8 for mathematics, and also for mathematics for class 5. So these learning outcomes are already defined, and these activity tasks are based on these learning outcomes. Apart from this, these activity tasks, model activity tasks, are based on the reduced syllabus that is ratified by the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. Now, you may have some questions. What is the need of using these model activity tasks? As I have already mentioned, that to identify the lag or the learning gaps that the students may have in achieving these learning outcomes. Now, for this reason, In each month, numerous items are given in that month's model activity task. And you are also aware about that. The students are completing the model activity tasks and the teachers are evaluating the same and identifying the learning gaps, and whenever necessary they are taking necessary remedial actions. Now, this is about model activity tasks.
Rudra, can you please tell us something about the cyclic quadrilaterals that are so important?
Well, suppose there is a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. If we extend the side BC to E, then how can we measure the angle DCE? For solving this problem, the students need to have certain concepts, like sum of the adjacent angles is 180 degree, sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, the opposite angles of a quadrilateral are supplementary to each other. If we extend any side of a quadrilateral, the sum of the two angles, that is the exterior and the internal angle, the sum of these two angles will always be 180 degree. If the students have these things in mind, then they will be able to solve this problem. And some of these concepts they can have from classes 7 and 8. Some months have elapsed that the students are practicing the model activity tasks. Now it is the time to find out whether the students have really achieved the expected learning outcomes. So for that reason, some question papers have been prepared by selecting some model activity tasks that were previously distributed in the earlier months, and by collecting those items in a question paper, a paper has been prepared for the classes 9 and 10. The total marks allotted for that compiled question paper is 50. So what will happen now? The students will answer these papers, and after answering them, the teachers will evaluate the same. And after evaluation, the teachers will get to know, or they will be able to identify whether the students have really achieved the expected learning outcomes. We would like to conclude this session with a hope that these model activity tasks will prove to be a success in furthering the learning process of the students amidst this COVID pandemic scenario. Thank you, everybody.